everyone, welcome to another video of the Techmasterhack. Today I'm doing a review on my computer speakers. These are the speakers from the video of my room tour, which you can see right about here. So those are Logitech Z130 speakers, 5 watt speakers. Just two boxes. I don't have a huge speaker underneath it because it doesn't come with this model. They sell for around 20 bucks, so very cheap. I love these speakers. They pursued really great bass and really great sound. So the speakers are connected with each other with a cable on the back, and you've got one cable for power. Two speakers, you've got the Logitech logo on the bottom, and up here you got a 3.5mm headphone port, and up here you get your volume switch and your power switch. So when you turn this on, the light goes green, and you can turn it off by just turning it. And it's also the volume. So I'm just gonna give you a little sound through. So great sound. I hope you can hear it in the video too. This was my review on the Logitech Z130 speakers. I will put a link for pricing and availability in the description below. Make sure to check that link out, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.